Yo, we're back. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a live video for y'all. But since I'm already looking at the charts, I may as well give y'all a pre-market, you know what I'm saying? What I want London session to do before London session actually open. So let's see if I know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, I may as well throw y'all to the charts right now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the last video, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe on this video. You know what I mean? Hopefully we dub out. Don't skip to the end and, you know what I'm saying? Cheat. Watch the video live as I'm doing it. I guess it might be the same day. It might be the same day. We shall see how it goes. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, I'm gonna throw y'all to the charts. And voila. Not gonna lie, price action is looking pretty good right now. So y'all can see. Previous trade. You know what I'm saying? W's in the chat. I kinda wanna see. Put the spectacles on, you know what I'm saying? I kind of want to see some manipulation up into here, maybe even to here. That is a 15-minute time frame. Let's go up to 30. Yeah, see, I want to sweep. Well, we still got 2 hours of price action. I think we'll come up some more, and then about an hour and a half, maybe an hour, 30 minutes, right before London open. I think we'll come down a little bit. That way we can have a real draw on liquidity, you know what I'm saying? So London says you can come up and sweep. Cause let's take a look. Yeah. A little bit of a reversal, continuation. London session going. A session gonna come back down here. Then we'll probably London session will come up and sweep all of this. Maybe even tap into these fair value gaps. And then I'm gonna either target A session lows or New York lows, depending on how high London manipulates. You know what I'm saying? But London is going to have some type of manipulation, and I feel like the manipulation is going to be to the upside, and then we're going to get a distribution to the downside. That's what I'm thinking. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, see, I want to push up into this fair value gap. And I think we'll do just that. Yeah. I'm liking the way this is setting up. Definitely going to take shorts. First draw will be here. If not, second draw will be at New York lows. So they're right here. But yeah, man, I just wanted to record this pre-market, you know what I'm saying, bias. As of right now, I still want shorts. After we get some type of manipulation up into the 116.35 range, you know what I'm saying, somewhere up in there, then we'll target, hopefully we break 116 and go back to 115. But you never know, honestly. She's gonna play it by ear. See if we got any news. But I'm not gonna lie. If there's one thing that I low-key hate, it's why the fuck does this shit always... It never loads on the day that it's supposed to. Like, why is it loaded up on the 1st? Nigga, it's the 11th. No real news for me. Except for GDP got a little news. Unemployment rates. I'm probably be asleep by this point. I ain't gonna lie. That early as hell for me. Let's see. My boy raising them tariffs again. Just give me your money. YouTube. Hopefully the camera is actually facing me. I'm not just talking to myself. But we got stopped out like completely. But I'm not gonna lie. Had I have been awake at this time, we would have closed in profit, but fuck, bro, I went to sleep. I'm not gonna lie, my ass is tired, so shit, fuck it. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It come with the game. So I'm about to kick y'all to the charts, break this shit down. I was looking at the news. Oh, that boy Trump told that nigga Powell he gotta, yeah, that's okay. See what's going on now. What time did that happen? Yeah, 7 in the morning. Yeah. Okay. My bad. But yeah, I'm gonna throw y'all to the charts and then we gonna get tapped in. Okay. Chart work. As y'all can see, man, previous trade, niggas went to sleep though. About, what is it, 3:30. So that was up here just when we really started to get into profit. I was like, man, fuck it. I'm gonna go to bed now. It's either gonna hit my take profit or my stop loss. And obviously, we came so close. We swept out some New York lows, but not the New York low that I was anticipating for. I did have a take profit one set, but that position got stopped out within the first trade because my stop loss for that trade was down here, and then I re-entered over here. You know what I'm saying? And then went to bed, came back to all of this. Now, it is what it is. We did have some news, like I said. So, because if we didn't get them news, I very much would think we would have hit my take profit easily. Because we was already came back into it. You know what I'm saying? So, not mad. Again, it's like really what I want to talk to y'all about like trading in general, because y'all be too focused on winning and losing money. And if you focus on winning and losing money, you're already cooked, my boy. You're already cooked. But pretty simple, man. But I would say I probably got a little cocky because it has been getting to a point where it's like London session repeats itself. Or it's the time frame that I trade inside of London session for me. Like I don't trade, like I'm in and out of the market within an hour, hour and a half tops, which is why I went to sleep at 3 a.m., 3:30, because that's when I'm done. I'm usually out of trades by then. So I was like, man, fuck it. But I decided to let it run. And dang, if I only would have woke up, you know what I'm saying, it's a few hours earlier, I probably could have closed it in time. But it is what it is, man. Because then I would have been trading with emotion at that point. So. But, what was I saying? Yeah, it's just getting to a point where London session has been repeating itself. So it's like, it manipulates up, then distributes to the downside. I just been waiting for the manipulation up, and then getting distribution. It did that right here slightly. It took out New York session lows, just not the lows that I was targeting. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is. It come with the game, so I'm not really complaining. And I'm still up on the week, so I had it in my risk management to lose. And I did lose 2 trades. I don't know if I told y'all, first position got stopped out like this. Second position, my entry was a little higher, so I was able to get my stop loss a little more room. So it was kind of like that. Then we got stopped out right here. Immediate, bro, that is an insane candlestick. That's one candlestick, bro. Shit is stupid. But, like I said, that news, boy, that shit be moving the market, boy. That nigga Trump, every time he say something, be having them boys shook. But it's cool, though. I like it, because, I mean, inevitably, it's going to make us a better country in the long run. But that's all I got for the charts. It's just a little recap, man. Unnecessary loss. Unnecessary loss. Because I'm be honest, I said to myself before I even loaded up the charts, I don't feel like trading. I low-key don't even want to trade. Not just because of the way price action was moving, because in the previous, like, in the beginning of the video, the little post-market or pre-market, I was liking price action. But I wasn't liking the way my body was feeling. You know what I'm saying? Niggas was tired as hell. But yeah, man, that's what I really want to talk to y'all about, bro. When y'all trading, you can't get wrapped up in losing and winning. Like, yes, that is a big part of it, but that's not even the main goal of this shit. Like, you should be more worried about learning. And there's lessons in losses. If you sit down and take the time to analyze why you took the trade, why you lost the trade. Even when you win trades, sit down and ask yourself, why did I take this trade? Why did I win this trade? You know what I'm saying? If it was news involved or news, you know what I'm saying, influenced, you got to analyze all of that. What session times was it? You know what I'm saying? Did you enter off this fair value gap? Did you wait for this candlestick closure? You know what I'm saying? Little shit like that matters when it comes to trading, because this stuff is all like a psychological game, bro. It's all mental warfare. So you got to be able to get on the playing field and thrive. You know what I'm saying? You got to be able to compete on a daily basis. Like, literally, bro. That's why I feel like I lost my trade last night. I was in no shape or form to compete at the caliber that I want to compete at. So it's like, I got burnt for that. You know what I'm saying? Got to take care of yourself, bro. If you're not mentally clear enough to be trading, don't trade. And it's crazy. I literally told myself, I was like, I low-key don't even feel like trading. But, I don't know, bro. I just feel like if I don't trade, it's more of a disrespect to myself. You know what I'm saying? So again, that's just the type of person that I am. And that's how you get lucky. People be talking about that. He got lucky. But like, you have to be doing something in order to get lucky. So, if I don't stop and I show up every day, that lucky day will find me, if that's what y'all want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Even though we real, you know what I'm saying, real grinders or real traders, they know, like, this shit ain't luck, bro. The fuck? Losing money, then finally making money ain't luck, bro. Especially if you following the same strategy. Like, if you trading this nigga strategy, this strategy, and then you finally just, like, get a random payout, but then you don't get no more payouts, like, you're lucky, bro. But for the people that are sticking to one strategy, sticking to the same simple model that makes sense to them, when it finally starts to click for them, that's not luck, bro. This was all strategically planned, bro. Everything I do, what my nigga said, everything I do is so strategic. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything is everything, bro. And I'm finna be hella pissed. My bad. I'm trying to edit this video for y'all, but I can't find the clip. Story of my life, bro. But anyways, yeah, man. Y'all just need to focus on learning how to trade. Once you do that, then you can focus on the money aspect. The money aspect comes inevitably the more you learn how to trade. But if you keep jumping around trying to learn this, trying to learn that, you're not going to get very far. You just going to keep jumping around the same circle. Then that's where y'all give trading a bad name. And it's like, stop it. Stop it. It's because you suck. Don't mean the rest of us do. I've withdrawn hard-earned cash. It was my lock screen for a grip. You know what I'm saying? This is my current lock screen. That shit hard, ain't it? Yeah, I know. Yeah. So it's like, this shit real, bro. It is as far as you want to take it. And it's as big as you want to make it, bro. Get your money out of these markets and invest it into other things. Like, I'm going to give y'all a blueprint. What you do with these funded accounts, you milk that shit dry. Get as much out of these funded accounts as you possibly can. Then invest a lot of it into a live account. Keep the funded account. Now you trading the funded account and your live account, and you still got some play money. The play money, I would take half of that play money, invest it into something else, like a crypto, you know what I'm saying, stocks, something else. Now you got more money being circulated. You still able to trade both your trading platforms, and you still got some play money to go buy you a couple nice little chains, you know what I'm saying, or if you need to actually spend it on something that you need, like your house, car, clothes, shit like that. You got the money to do that, and that's what trading is for. Like, literally, when I got my first payout, I bought my car. Now, when I get a real lump sum of a payout, so obviously I ain't rich, I ain't broke, but I'm not rich. You know what I'm saying? But when I get like some real money, I'm buying my Dukes of G-Wagon. That's gonna be like my first big purchase. I told her that's how she gonna know I'm rich. I'm just gonna show up to her job, tell her to quit, and give her the keys. And I'm gonna drive away. What she do with it is what she do. If she wanna quit, she can. But I will never, you know what I'm saying, make somebody stop working. But the option is there, mother. But my ass just got to yapping. I think that's all I got for y'all, man. Okay, hopefully we locked in. But realize I never did the outro for the vid. So, man, hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video. You know what I'm saying? And y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to start back vlogging. I could do some, like, real day in the life type shit. So, yeah, man, I got a lot of ideas cooking for y'all. Just let me know if y'all want to see them on this channel or if I should keep that content separate from the trading. You know what I'm saying? It's all up to y'all, because, I mean, shit, y'all the ones watching it, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, without further ado, man, again, y'all boys stay blessed, stay motivated, stay focused, really stay disciplined, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next video.